Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to science class, learners. In the previous session, we have read about birds. Okay, now we will complete this chapter. Nest of birds. Birds build nest using grass, leaves, thread, sticks, and cotton. Sticks means a very small, thin branch. This is a section of a plant. They make nests on trees, on the ground, on the terrace, etc. They can make their nest anywhere. They lay their eggs in the nest. Birds sit on eggs to keep them warm till they hatch. After hatching, baby birds rest in nest till they are big enough to fly. Okay? Birds feed their young ones and protect them from enemies. Enemies means a person who is actively opposed. Different birds make different types of nest. Okay? A sparrow makes its nest in houses or on the trees. It uses grasses, twigs, and cotton to make its nest. This is the nest of a sparrow. A tailor bird says leaves with its beak. It uses thread wool to sew leaves. It uses its beak for make nest. A woodpecker pecks at a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. This hole is used as a nest. Understand? A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree. A weaver bird weaves grasses, twigs, and leaves using its beak to make nest. Its nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The nest has opening at the lower end. We can see here. Okay. Now, eagles and vultures make nest by gathering few sticks. They arrange the sticks in the form of a shallow cup. Look here, learners. And a cuckoo does not make its nest. Do you know? And where it lays eggs? It lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Understand, learners? We can see here different nests made by different types of birds. Okay? Now, this is exercise time. Pick the correct answer. Birds have 2 teeth, 2 legs, 1 wing, 1 eye. Which one is right? Learners, tell me. Yes, 2 legs. Bodies of birds are kept warm by wings, body feathers, down feathers, flight feathers. Which is right? Yes, down feathers. The shape of a bird's body is like a road, hook, knot or boat. Yes, boat. Okay. Which of the following birds has short head and strong beak? Duck, pigeon, cuckoo, sunbird. Which one is right? Yes, pigeon. Which of the following birds have talons? Perching birds, flesh-eating birds, climbing birds, or swimming birds? Learners, tell me the correct answer. Yes, flesh-eating birds. Okay. Next exercise. One word in each statement is incorrect. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct word in the space provided. Okay? Here. Front toes of swimming birds are joined by glue called web. Incorrect word is glue. In place glue, the correct word is skin. Okay. Second, the nest of a sparrow has an opening at the lower end. In place of sparrow, we will write here weaver bird. Birds sit on eggs to keep them cool, or cool is wrong. We will write here warm. Ducks use their claws to scratch and dig the ground. In place of ducks, we will write hands. Okay. Birds do not have beaks. No, learners, you know birds have beaks. So beaks is wrong. Birds have no teeth. Okay. Now, exercise number C and D. These are the question answer, learners. I am sending the PDF of these C and D exercises. Okay. Learners, now match the birds with their names and also write their names at the correct place. Okay. Pigeon. Where is pigeon? This. Number 2. And hawk, number 1. Sparrow. This is sparrow, number 4. And this is duck. Okay. Strong and short and strong beak. Pigeon and sparrow. These are short and strong beak. Sharp and hook beak, hawk. Broad and flat beak, duck. We can see here. Okay, learners. Yes, now join birds to the kind of nest they make. Okay. First is sparrow. This is the nest of a sparrow. Okay. Second is tailor bird. Tailor bird makes this type of nest. And this is weaver bird. And this is the nest of a weaver bird. Okay. And this is eagle. Eagle makes this type of nest. Clear, learners? Okay. Learners, what would happen if eagles did not have sharp and hooked beaks? Learners, I am sending the PDF of this answer. Next, a sparrow made nest on the terrace of Raman's house. After some days, Raman heard chirping of nestling from the nest. What should Raman do now? He should shove the birds away. He should throw away the nest with nestling. He should put grains and water for the birds. Which one is correct answer? What should Ramans do? Yes. Third one. He should put grains and water for the birds. Correct, learners? Now, birds are beautiful living creatures, but during summer season, many birds die due to lack of water. Do you keep water for birds on the terrace of your house? If not, then keep water in container on the terrace of your house. You can also put some grains or pieces of bread for them. Understand, learners? Would you like this? I think you will do. Okay, learners, the chapter has been completed. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.